Dear Prime Minister, I am writing to bring to your attention the pressing concerns of the Kendriya Vidyalaya teaching community, who are currently enduring significant hardships through no fault of their own. The entire teaching community feels deeply humiliated and disregarded due to the prolonged neglect and unjust treatment of both retired and serving Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan (KVS) employees, without whom the KVS would not exist.
1. Conversion of CPF to GPF for KVS retirees. Approximately 1,000 teachers, now in the final years of their lives, have been unfairly excluded from the pension scheme due to a lack of adequate communication and negligence by the KVS organization. These teachers are now dependent on their children for basic medical facilities, despite having dedicated nearly half of their lives to serving society. It is a clear case of apathy and indifference by KVS, where individual orders benefiting those close to power are implemented, while favorable CAT, High Court decisions for teachers are ignored. We request your intervention to rectify this matter promptly. 2. Modified Assured Career Promotion (MACP) scheme. The MACP scheme has been implemented for non-teaching staff but not for teachers, principals, and assistant commissioners. Despite a definitive judgment by the principal bench, CAT on MACP, the KVS has chosen to drag teachers to the High Court, where the case has been pending for years. Other organizations like ISRO's Space Central Schools and Scenic Schools have implemented the judgment, but KVS continues to demoralize its teaching community by delaying justice. We urge you to ensure the immediate implementation of the MACP scheme for KVS teachers and principals. 3. Reinstatement of admission provisions under Special Provisions, quota. Since 1975, the admission guidelines of KVS allowed for the admission of grandchildren of retired KVS employees under Part B of the guidelines. However, this provision was abruptly removed in April 2022. We fervently appeal for the reinstatement of this special provision to honor the contributions of retired KVS employees. 4. Implementation of notional increment judgment. Despite a favorable judgment from CAT regarding notional increment, KVS has been reluctant to implement the court orders. We beseech your kind intervention for a positive and timely decision to bring relief to thousands of KV teachers. 5. Staying of commuted pension as per court orders. The 5th CPC recommended the recovery of commuted pension over 12 years, but this was unjustifiably not accepted universally, and in certain states like Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Punjab, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh. Additionally, the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana issued a stay order, CWP 94262-023, to seize the recovery of the commutation value from the pension of employees after 10 years and 8 months. We request you to examine this matter and ensure its implementation in KVS as well. Your intervention in these matters is crucial to ensuring justice and fair treatment for the Kendriya Vidyalaya employees community. We trust in your leadership and compassion to address these issues and bring much needed relief to the affected employees. Yours sincerely, KVD, Prasad Deputy GS, KVS RTEWS.